How do you manage a trade if you get a false signal on your chart? Now, you guys, I'm the founder of Simple Market Metrics, and I'll be the first to say nothing's 100%. If you find a metric and indicators that has a 100% win rate for buy and sell signals, let me know because I'm buying it. I'm going to show you why our system is literally 80 to sometimes 90% accurate on the chart, but we do have that 15 to 20% that it just doesn't work out. And it's just honesty. It's just transparency. I want to show you guys this. I don't want to be anyone that you guys follow that's like, this guy's just winning all these trades. He never loses. Guys, I lose trades. I lose trades. You can see it on my channel. And I'm going to show you right now with the metrics that I created myself that you guys are going to be able to purchase and get lifetime access to. I don't want to sell something to you guys and say it's going to be 100% accurate. So let me show you exactly a signal like this buy signal right here that just didn't work out. But more importantly, I'm going to show you how to get out of that trade to minimize risk so you don't lose a lot of money in the account, because nothing's 100%. Okay, let's dive into the charts right now and look exactly at this metric. When this buy signal was illuminated, yes, we did have all of our metrics in line. Money was flowing up to the market. That means money flowing into the market with pushing. Green dot, so that's a key EMA crossover to the upside right at this area. We also did have our middle band that was green, so it was green. However, right afterwards, we ended up switching. A simple thing that you guys can do and look at, this middle band is going to show you overall the market momentum, either bullish or bearish, right at that specific time. If this is red, that means price is decreasing. When this is green, this is when price is increasing. So you're not always going to get amazing signals like buy signal, increase, make a bunch of money, sell signal, make a bunch. That's great when it works out. But this signal right here in particular, how do you manage this? So the first thing that I look at is if I end up getting a buy signal and this switches over to red, that is my first indication that I just want to mentally be thinking, okay, this could actually reverse to the downside. Now, let's say you had got in right at this spot. You could have been able to exit out on the next signal that was a sell signal to the downside, minimizing the risk quite a bit. So instead of just staying in here and just waiting and waiting and waiting and hoping until you got another buy signal at the bottom to then go to the top, you're already so far down in that trade, you've lost it. You've lost it. Do not wait that long. So what I want you to do, two things. I want you to either, if you get into a trade and this switches over to red, you can just close it out right away, take a loss on the trade, take a break-even trade. That is completely fine. A break-even trade in my book is a winning trade. Or if you want to stay in and you're still convinced and this white line hasn't started stepping back down and still going to upward direction, if you then either get a sell signal or you get one of these Heikin-Ashi candles, that's a strong bearish candle. What is a bearish candle? When you have a solid body with no wick out the top and a wick out the bottom, for example, this one right here with a sell signal, that is a great indication that the overall momentum with those candles have shifted the opposite direction and you want to be able to get out of that trade. So if you get a trade like this, if you get a signal that is just a false signal, because it happens with every indicator, happens with any metric, keep an eye on this dashboard. Keep an eye on your metrics. Keep an eye on the sell signals. But what you guys can also do to eliminate this in all, take a look at this. If you would have actually had the lines on here on your chart, this is going to tell you exactly if you're trading in bullish or bearish market momentum. You wouldn't have actually taken this trade. Since you're trading in bearish market momentum, you would have just had the sell signals illuminated, giving you the best opportunities in the market. But if you hadn't had that illuminated and you had taken this trade, it's okay. It's okay. Just know how to actually manage that trade and to be able to get out before it reverses against you too far and then you're losing too much money. Risk management is the #1 thing in trading. Thank you guys so much for following. Please leave any comments if you have questions. Have a great rest of your day.